Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I haven't been posting on YouTube like a long form video since a very long time. It's actually been months, but today I really wanted to sit down, give you a little bit of update, and I also wanted to answer a few questions wherein you get to know me. I specifically love my lip combo today. So let me tell you, actually this was a very complicated lip combo that I tried today. So I use these two lip liners from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Choco Nude. This dark one is in the shade Dark Chocolate. So with the dark chocolate, I lined my lips a little bit. This is kind of a contour shade actually. Gives your lips this beautiful plump effect. Line it below the contour, basically your lips but better. For the lipstick, I first applied this Blur liquid lipstick. I just applied it in the center of my lip. This is one of the nude shades. Once this is done, I also used this liquid lipstick from Zudio. It's their Cloud Kiss lip color, and this one is in the shade Soft Kiss. This is a very pale nude sort of a color. Now I want to give more of a rosy tint to my lips. For the final touch, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Walk of No Shame. I'm just going to use it at the center of my lips. I know this was not an easy lip combo, but it looks super stylish. Before diving in right into the questions, I just wanted to share a life update with you. 3 months ago, I was blessed with a baby girl. So wow! Mom, I was totally busy and occupied just navigating this new phase in my life. I'm really excited and thrilled to know what our future holds together. If you are already subscribed to my channel, hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're still not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So I have these list of questions that I got from the internet, and I thought it would be really fun to answer. So the first question is, what is something about me that people would get wrong at first impression? Most certainly, when I enter a room, I am a very introverted kind of a person. So I don't really instantly gel up with people or smile back at them. I'm the most awkward person you will meet in a room full of people. If you are seeing me for the first time, you'll think that I am full of attitude and I'm a very mean person, and I probably don't want to talk to you. But that is totally the opposite of what I am feeling. I am feeling super conscious of myself. And since I'm an introvert, it's not like I don't want to gel up with other people, but I really struggle with breaking the ice first. But if you are nice to me and if you come up to me, talk to me, then I'm assuming I'm a warm person. So that's what usually people get wrong about me at the first impressions. That's what I've heard from most of my friends when they first met me. Okay, next question. What is the kind of content do you binge when no one's judging? So I am a through and through reality show watcher, and I feel like everyone is way too judgmental on people who are watching these kind of entertainment dumb shows, you may call it. Like, I personally like crime thriller and thriller rom-com genre a lot, but when I'm not in the mood to just run my mind, I just want to watch something very stupid and something entertaining, so I always go back to watching reality TV shows. So I love watching Big Boss, I love watching Splitsvilla. That's what I'm currently watching. You may judge me all you want, but I love watching that. Also, I'm a big fan of all the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and what else? I always watch these dating shows. I love watching these dating shows here and there too. The next question is, what does a perfect normal day look like for you? So currently, as I said, I am a new mom, so my day is all about my baby. And when she's asleep, I usually think it's better to take rest, but usually that does not happen, and I want to entertain myself just scrolling on my phone, watching some shows, and then within half an hour or an hour she's awake again. So currently my normal day is just occupied with my baby. I'm currently loving spending time with her, and behind all this makeup you don't see my dark circles. So I'm quite literally a very sleep deprived person currently. So next question is, what is something you're currently unlearning? So for the longest time, I was someone who had to just give a closure, whether in fights or in arguments or in discussions. Between any of my interactions, there has to be a closure. Not always you will get the perfect answers from people around you. Remove myself from the situations which don't make sense to me, and I think it's very easier that way. It was really difficult for me to detach myself sometimes from situations and from people. In these past 9-10 years, I've learned and I've grown so much as an adult. Yeah, that's one thing that I'm kind of unlearning. You will not get the closure that you're looking for, so it's better to remove yourself from that particular situation and kind of just detach yourself. Okay, now a few rapid fire questions. Cancel plans or last minute plans? I am totally up for last minute plans. Voice notes or texting essays? I would rather just you give me a call and we can chat, but it's better to avoid the texting essays. Overshare or disappear? I was definitely an oversharer, but now in the current phase of my life, I would rather disappear. Rewatch old favorites or try something new? I am definitely a try something new kind of a person. Romanticize life or complain through it? It's both of them. You have to romanticize your life. Sometimes you also have the right to complain about it and then just be over with it. So it's okay to complain, it's okay to romanticize, but all in all, what matters is that you are living your life. I think we are pretty much done with these questions. I tried to answer a few of them. I just got these questions from the internet, and I just thought it will be fun to answer so that you also get to know me, how I am as a person. So if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe. Also suggest what would you like to see from me on this YouTube channel. So with that, that's a wrap for today's video, and I will see you in my next one.